Good morning, dear students. Today, let us discuss an interesting chapter, simple equations. So, before going into the chapter, let me explain some interesting fact in this chapter. So, listen, what is that interesting fact? Suppose the numbers 1 to 9. Between, choose any number what you want. Any number what you want, choose between 1 to 9. After choosing the number, what you will do? If suppose your wish, any number you choose between these numbers, and what the number you have chosen in between these, that number multiply with 3. That number what you will do, multiply with 3. So what is the answer you are getting after multiplying with 3? That answer add to 6. What you will do? What is the number you are taking from this number? You will multiply with 3. After multiplying, what is the answer you got here? That answer add to 6. In case if you are getting 18 as the result, then the number which you selected between 1 to 9 is what? 4. What is the number? 4. Likewise, any number here also. Between 1 to 9, select any number. That number multiply with 4. You will get some answer. This answer add to 5. This answer what you will do? Add to 5. If in case you are getting the answer as 29, then what is the number you took here? Is 6. You may get doubt how this here the number will be 4, otherwise how here the number will be 6. So this is the fact. You also can play with your friends. I think you had played already. Imagine a number between 1 to 4, add it 2, subtract 2, and you will say the answer. So like the games we are playing, you know. So this is all from the simple equation. So now see what the number you took from 1 to 9. Now I will explain how I told this is 4, this is 6, and how is this process happened. Listen. From the numbers 1 to 9, what you have selected, that number, let us take as any variable x. Already you know what is variable. In your class 6 you had learned. So not only variable x, you can take any variables like s, y, z, anything, a, b, c, anything you can take. So here I took x. So x, what I told first case to multiply with 3. So if you multiply x into 3, we get what? 3x. So this answer what we told? To add with 6 we told. So 3x plus 6 is equal to 18. So what is this called? 3x plus 6 is equal to 18. This is called as equation. Remember, in an equation you compulsory must have equal to sign with a variable. Then this is called as, this expression is called as what? Equation. Any expression which contains equal to symbol with any variable, then it is called as your equation. Here also see what the number you took, choose between 1 to 9. Let us take as x. Now x into what we told, to multiply with 4 we told. So x into 4 is what? 4x. So this what the result we got, that one what told, to add with 5. So 4x plus 5 is equal to, what is the result I told? 29. So 4x plus 5 is equal to 29. What is this called? This is called as an equation. Now let us see how I told this x is 4 and how this x is 6. Now let us check by using this equation. So see students how we got. So here we got the equation 3x plus 6 is equal to 18. Now solve the equation. 3x plus 6 is equal to 18. Now 3x is equal to, this is with 6, plus 6. So plus 6 if you bring to this side, what it will become? 18 minus 6. So 3x is equal to, what is 18 minus 6? 12. So 3x is equal to 12. 3 is what doing with x here? 3 is product. It is multiplying. So the multiplication, if you bring this side, it will become to division. So x is equal to 12 by 3. So reduce here, x is equal to 4. So in this process I told that what is the number you multiplied with 3, that product if you add to 6, if the result is 18, Then what is the number you had choose between 1 to 9 is which number? 4. You can take any number. You can take any number, multiply with 3, and after what is the product you got, add to 6. After what is the result here you are getting, that one write here and solve the equation. What the number you had think in your mind, that answer you can display here. So same example, see here, what is another equation we got? 4x plus 5 is equal to 29. So here also solve this equation. This is which 5? Plus 5. So plus 5 if you bring this side, 4x is equal to 29. Plus 5 if you bring, becomes minus 5. So 4x is equal to 29 minus 5, 24. So x is equal to, here also the same, 4 is the product of x. So 4 and x are multiplying each other. So if you bring this side, it will divide. So x is equal to 24 by 4. So reduce it, x is equal to 6. So in this process here also I told 6 is the number what we had thought in our mind. So not only between 1 to 9, you can take any number. Any number you can take. You can apply this process, solve by using the simple equation, and you can play with even with your friends also. So try it with your friends and learn how to solve the equation first. So see students, LHS and RHS. In an equation, two parts will be there. One is LHS and one is RHS part will be there. So I told in an equation what will be there? LHS will be there and RHS will be there. So this part is called, so the part which is on your left hand side, it is called your LHS, and after equal to what is there, this is called your RHS, which is there on your right hand side. So here observe, when you bring any term, means plus term, any positive term, plus term to RHS, it will be converted into negative. If any negative term from LHS you are bringing to RHS, it will become positive. Means what? If minus 6 you are bringing to RHS, minus 6 is on LHS side. 4x minus 6 is equal to 7 is there. So this negative term if you bring to RHS, it will become which 6 here? So negative will become to positive. So minus 6 when you bring to RHS, it will become here plus 6. Like that. Any product multiplication if you are bringing to RHS, it will become division. Likewise any division it will become to multiplication. Not only from LHS to RHS, from RHS to LHS if you take, minus will become plus, plus will become minus, division will become product multiplication, and the multiplication will become division. Likewise from LHS means plus will become minus and minus will become plus. Multiplication will be division and division will be multiplication. This is the interesting fact and the important one which you should remember to solve these simple equations. Now let us take some examples of these equations. So see students, let us solve some questions. What is given? First question, solve x plus 3 is equal to 7 if x is equal to 4 is given. So x is how much given? X is equal to 4 is given. We should solve the equation x plus 3 is equal to 7. So in this equation what is x given? 4 is given. So substitute in x plus 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Because in x plus why we substituted 4? Given that x is equal to 4. So when we substituted, what is 4 plus 3? 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 is equal to 7. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS, then only this solution what they give x is equal to 4, it satisfies the given equation. So x is equal to 4 satisfies the given equation, x plus 3 is equal to 7. So when any equation will be satisfied? When LHS and RHS both should be equal, then only the given equation will be satisfied. See another example, x minus 5 is equal to 2. If x is equal to 7 is given. X minus, what is the given equation? X minus 5 is given 2. What is x given? X is given 7. So in place of x substitute 7. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. So what is 7 minus 5? 2. So 2 is equal to 2. So here also in this case we got LHS and RHS equal. So therefore x is equal to 7 satisfies the given equation x minus 5 is equal to 2. See another example, x plus 8 is equal to 10. Another equation is given, x plus 8 equal to 10. If x is equal to how much is given? 3 is given. So take the equation, x plus 8 is equal to 10. So in x plus how much we substitute? What is given in the question? X is given 3. So 3 plus 8 equal to 10. So given that x is equal to 3. So what is 3 plus 8? 12. How much is there on RHS? 10 is there. Is 12 equal to 10? 12 is not equal to 10. So LHS and RHS are not equal. So therefore x is equal to 3 does not satisfy to the given equation x plus 8 equal to 10. So like this we should write. So now open your textbook, exercise 4.1. So see students, open that exercise 4.1 in your chapter 4. Question number 1 and 2 will be there. That is your homework. Question number 1, complete the following table is there, you know. So that table, same process, LHS and RHS you will solve. And it is satisfied or not. If LHS and RHS are equal, then the given value is satisfied. Otherwise it is not satisfied. So like that, question number 1 and question number 2 you will complete in your notebook.